Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, I've got a couple of products to show you that have been sent to me by the lovely people at Diamondartdecor.com. They asked if I would like some products to show on my channel. I said yes, of course. I've loved the things in the past. So, look at that. We've got a little squidgy one at the top there. Let's see what we got this time. Okay, ooh, okay, a useful border, and, oh, a box, no spoilers, and, oh, another box. Okay, before we get into these, I will just quickly tell you about the special offers on at Diamondartdecor.com at the moment. There is free shipping over $49, which is around about the £39–40 mark. If you buy 2 items, there is 10% off. If you buy 5 items, there is 15% off. And if you buy 10 items, there is 20% off. So, yay, go and get some bargains. They probably won't arrive before Christmas now, but it could be something to do in between Christmas and New Year for you. And quite possibly this one could be something that you can do in between Christmas and New Year. So, yeah. And then there is a flash sale on as well. So if you do go and check out the website, just scroll through the homepage and there's all sorts of different special offers. And as I say, flash sale on. So go and check them out. Diamondartdecor.com. Okay, so we'll look at that one last. And we'll have a look at this one. So this is one of those foam borders that you can put around your diamond paintings or use it as a picture frame. If you sort of mitre your corners, you know, do them as a triangle at the corner, then yeah, you can make it, and they do look like a picture frame. Once they're on a wall, you could actually use gilding wax or something like that on these, because they are like a little bit papery material, so they will take colour if you did want to, say, run some antique gilding wax or something over, and then it would look a little bit like a gilded frame that the gold's just starting to come off, a little bit shabby chic. You get about, I think it's about 2 metres, so there's enough probably to go around a 30 by 40 frame, but double check before you cut it to make sure you have got what you need. But yeah, these are really good, and they're those, you know, that you can put your nail in and it just bings back. So yeah, it's got a little bit crease there, but that will probably come out. And it's self-adhesive on the back as well. I've had these a few times, and yeah, they are useful, really good. So yeah, like that, and it's a neutral colour, it's a cream colour. So as I say, you can actually colour this one in. They do come in lots of different colours and lots of different ones. So yeah, give that one a go. Quite a bit of fun. And you could use them on cards, you could use them on home decor, anything like that. I mean, if you ran that, you know, on maybe furniture or something and gilded it up, put some maybe gold leaf or anything on it, or polish, or I mean, you could use your alcohol markers, but it would take a long time to do 2 meters. But yeah, just give it a go, or paint them, you know, and they will come up. Lots of home deco ideas for that one. So yeah, we like that. Useful, very useful, and we like useful. Okay, let's see which one this one is. Right, let's have a look, what's in the box. Oh, we've got a nice piece of foam keeping us, oh, nice and safe. Yay. And then all our little bits and pieces. Hooray. So we are all crystal special drill. And look at this, it's wonderful. One of my friends did ask me, is there a particular reason why a lot of the diamond paintings I've got this year, the projects, are all things with things hanging from their antlers or fallen over, or am I thinking of going on a massive pub crawl and taking all these with me? It's just, yeah, there seems to be a bit of a theme going on with the things that you've got this year, and I thought, Yeah, you're right. But I just like anything that makes me laugh, anything that makes me smile. And he's gone cross-eyed, look, looking at his lights on top of his head. So, yeah, I think he's definitely on the way to the North Pole. And his friends have encountered him and he's a little bit happy. And they've just decorated him up. I'm not quite sure what Santa's going to make of you. I presume he's a little polar bear. Oh, look at his little claws. And then look at his shoes. He's got his little toe beans on his shoes. I mean, there could be grips to make sure that he doesn't slip. But yeah, look, the lights are coming all the way around here and all the way around here. Yeah, I think that's a deliberate, definite, somebody's decorated him rather than he's just got tangled up in something. But he doesn't look unhappy about it, does he? And it, as I say, he's on his way to the North Pole. Oh, that's fabulous. I love him. He's so cute. And he was £7.77. Wow. Okay, so we've got our little foam piece as well. Always handy to keep, needle felting, stamping, any of your other crafts that you do. Always handy to keep a piece of foam. Right, let's have a look at the crystals. So we've got your little stand to put him in. I will probably put him on the wall, to be fair. But you do get your little stand that he just stands in, and you can just display him. Or you could put him in a picture holder, you know, one of the little picture stands that you get. You could use one of those. There is covers front and back on this, so you do need to take your cover sheets off. They just peel off from front and back. This becomes completely clear, so that's really good. But oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, I love it. It's just, yeah, that expression. It's just wonderful. Right, let's get back to the crystals. Waylaid by the stand. Pen boat wax. And, ooh, we've got some specials in here as well. So let's have a look. Ooh. We are 8, 9, 10, 11 different gems and colours. So we've got your 310 black with your crystal on the back, silver on the back. We've got like a very dark browny colour and an aqua blue and a lovely Christmassy red and a Christmassy gold and a sort of a dark lemony browny colour. Oh, there's 2 bags of that one. Yeah, that's 2 bags, so I'm guessing. Oh, our bear's going to be a little bit darker. He's obviously got a little bit grubby while he's been out. It's maybe like the UK and the snow doesn't stay very long and it gets a bit slushy and you get a bit mucky. Then we've got our silver, lovely and clear, and a Christmassy green. And then our special shapes, some fire red rounds with an iridescent coating, some fire red marquees with an iridescent coating, and some little silver rounds right at the end. So let's have a look. I think most of these are going to be the lights. So yeah, A is all of the lights, look, tracing all the way around on the string, going all the way through round there. And B is your lights that are dangling there. And then where is C? What's C then? Oh, C's just in his coat, look, where he's got some little bits of glistening snow stuck to him. Oh, but he's going to be so cute. I must get this one done for Christmas. And I keep saying that, but yeah, I've got so many wonderful new ones and I do need to get them done. So yeah, that is gorgeous. So we'll pop that one away and we'll have a look at the last one. And the last one is something new that I've not had before. Ooh. So this one is a little bit different. And what it is showing you on the back is not what we've got inside the box. So there you are. So let us have a look and see what's in here. It's a very full box. It's wanting to escape. So we've got our, take the instructions out in a minute. We've got, oh, look at all these crystals. there is some big bags in there. Look at that big bag of silvers there. Ooh. Okay. And shall we take it all out together? Yeah, look at this. Okay, it's another little bit of a building project. We've got our pen boat wax. Oh, we've got a toolkit with a screwdriver. Yes. I'm going to start gifting out these screwdrivers now because I'm getting so many. But they are very, very handy. Okay, we've got some little flowers that are trying to escape out the bottom, look. And oh, look at that. Oh, it's a little set of owls. And you know, this is a lot bigger. And I know I'm always saying this than I expected. And it's double-sided as well. No wonder we've got so many gems. Oh, wow. Oh, fantastic. And then we've got 2 stands. That's maybe to put them both together. And then one goes in the back and one goes in the front. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, and there's no black coming off these either. Oh, a little tiny bit, but nothing to speak of. Yeah, they're really good. But oh, that is so cute. Look at that. And all the flowers round. So, not Christmassy at all, because it's owls in their little tree, or in the little log, with all the lovely flowers around it. But this is a calendar. And wow. Oh, it says 2027 on it. Hey, it's been specially made for me, because they know that I probably won't get it done very quickly. So we've got, oh wow, okay. Have we got the 12 months then? They're all 2027. Oh, that's really, that threw me. But anyway, what you do, put them in between your owls, your little owl log. And it's a little calendar that sticks up, and then you put one down, and then you've got your next one, and you put that one down, and you've got your next one. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, wow, I love this. But I expected this bit to be really small. There is quite a few different ones as well. There wasn't just the owl, but the owl was my favourite. I love my owls. There was a flower one, which I thought was quite cute as well, but I love this one. So let's put these in order then. Right, December, November, January, March, April, that was May, wasn't it? May, June, July, August. Did we have September? Oh yeah, it's there. I was just thinking, I don't think we've got one missing. August, September, October, November, December. And they're all different flowers as well, so you get a little different flower. I'll have to check what January the 1st 2027. I'm presuming it will be a Friday. It's going to be a Thursday. Yeah, it will be, because it's Thursday this year, next year, 2026. So it'll be a Friday, 2027. So, yeah, I've got a year to do this one. So, yeah, you can order it and do it at your leisure next year. There's no diamond painting on these, so it's just your 2 owls. And actually, you could just put these inside and have them down like that. And just display it and have it out as an ornament, and then when you're ready for January you can just pop it up and say, look, I've already got my calendar. So yeah, and they're all different flowers. They're like a nice acrylic. You've got a shiny on one side and it's a little bit rougher on the other side. Oh well, actually that's double-sided as well. So you could have it stood, you know, if you maybe take it to work, you could have it stood in the middle of a desk if you've got people sat opposite each other, and they'll both be able to see the calendar because they'll both have an owl and they'll both have a flower. Well, that's good. So January, February is a blue one, March, okay, April, May, June. So yeah, lots of different flowers. July, that's my birthday. I'm pleased we've got a hot pink on July. August, September. Oh, I like October's. November, oh, very pretty. And December, all icy blue. So excellent. Wow. Yep, totally missed 2026 is on the back of them. I just asked Alexa what day of the week the 1st of January 2027 will be. And she said, I don't know how to answer that. So what use is that? I think my Alexa's gone on holiday, because I asked her to convert some Australian dollars into pounds yesterday, and she said, I don't know how to answer that. So unless she doesn't understand my accent, albeit we've had it a few years and she should know by now, or unless I'm just not asking the correct questions, I don't know. But how much clearer can you be? Yeah, I just don't know what to say. So that is those. Oh, but these are so sweet. Look at those. It's like, yeah, mum and baby have said, come here and let's have a photo. And elder sibling has just photo bombed it and said, well, I want to be in too. Does look a little bit tight in there, doesn't it? So, yeah, but oh, they are gorgeous, and these flowers are beautiful. We do get instructions as well, telling us what to do. And there are picture instructions. Oh, this one's a gonk. So you can get a gonk one look as well. Paula, I'm talking to you. Tells us what to do. Look, how to put them in. So, yeah. And you've got your little tools as well. I must remember to look after those. I'll put them in with the gems. Okay, let's have a look at all these crystals. Oh, hot pink. And I did think there was a lot of crystals just for this little project, but then it is double-sided. Excellent. Okay. So we only have 9 different colours. And look at that, a huge bag of lovely, clear, sparkly crystals. We've got a Christmassy red. No, it's not a Christmassy red. It's a nice bright red. We're past Christmas now. This is for 2027. So we'll have had 2 Christmases by the time I put this one out. No, don't go so fast. Although this year feels as though it's gone that fast. We've got a hot pink. Yes, it's only a pale one, but it's still hot pink. We've got a lovely grassy green. Looking forward to the grass looking that colour instead of muddy brown that it is at the moment. A nice sea blue. Oh, a lovely orangey colour there. Pumpkin orange, orange. Orange with fruit orange. A little bit of a bronzy colour. Your standard 310 black. And oh, a lovely honey gold colour at the end. So lovely sparkly colours. There's no special shapes, but we have got a hot pink. So yes. Heck, they did squash these into that little packet, didn't they? Wow. Oh, look, I can never get drills back into the packets. That's it. Oh, no, it's not. They're not going to go in there, are they? Did they come out of that packet? Wow. How did they get those in there? That's a skill to get that amount of drills into that packet. I think I might have to find another one. Okay, well, huge thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for sending me these. I absolutely love them. He is so much fun with all those lights around his antlers. And these are so sweet. And it's so much bigger and better than I expected. These are wonderful. Okay, well, as I say, huge thank you, Diamond Art Decor. These are marvellous. Love them. Do go and check out all those special offers on diamondartdecor.com. You only need to buy 2 items to get 10% off, which is wonderful. We like money off. And yeah, you can always add up and get that free shipping as well. And then you don't feel as though you've spent as much. Okay, well, if you have enjoyed looking at these, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone. And I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.